Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, LandoBrewsCoffee. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Starbucks Crisp Blend here, and I'm going to be turning this into a shot of espresso using my Ranchilio and using my Niche Grinder. So let's get started. Alright, so quick thing about the Crisp Blend, it is a 4-way blend, meaning there's 4 different coffee beans in here. It features the rare aged Sumatra, and it also features Colombian beans, Guatemalan beans, and beans from Papua New Guinea. And it says here some of the notes we could expect to find are spiced chocolate and spruce sips. So let's see if we get any of those notes out of espresso, and I'll be turning this into a latte. Okay, so I do want to mention that I do have one of those round levelers, but I don't really like using it because I get inconsistent results with it. For the most part, I prefer gently pounding the portafilter and using my thumb to level out any mounds. This is just what works for me. Okay, so this part that I'm gonna do is called temperature surfing. This is something you gotta do if you own a single boiler like this Ranchilio here. And pretty much what I do is I pack my puck, and before I do that, I turn off the machine so that it cools down and it resets the heating cycle. So by the time my puck is ready, when I turn on the machine, the heating cycle just started right now. So I know where it lies in the heating cycle. So once that light turns off, I'm gonna wait about 30 to 50 seconds until I pull my shot. All right, so now that 40 seconds have passed, let's pull our shot. So if I'm making the espresso for myself, I do typically like to try it just to see how the espresso came out and see if there was any adjustments that need to be made. So the shot for the most part did come out pretty balanced. Some of the notes that I was able to pick up on was like an evergreen flavor or like some herbal notes, which I thought was really nice, very different than what I'm normally used to drinking. Alright, so espresso came out really nice, so let's turn this into a latte. Alright, so now that the shot's cooled, let's steam some milk. I'm going to go ahead and press this button, and this button will superheat the boiler to the appropriate levels. Overall, I thought Christmas Blend was a pretty good seasonal coffee with lots of herbal notes. It's definitely worth trying out if you can track it down. It does only come out during December, so once they're gone, they're gone. Thanks everyone who watched until the end. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. It really does help my channel grow. And if you like this video, please check out some of my other content. I'll leave some links in the end screen along with my failed attempt at latte art. Cheers!